So for today's video guys, so pamahaw na ni panood o panihapon guys. So na siya carnival guys. So sinigang na hipon with tangkong, good for pamahaw paniuto panihapon. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.